While I'm not prepared to speak about the potential motive, I can now say with confidence that the evidence in this case does not lead us to believe this was an act of terrorism. I can also tell you that the person we have in custody does have a significant history of interactions with police and healthcare professionals related to mental health. I am unable to publicly identify the person who is in custody because charges have not yet been laid.
Inalis na ng Vancouver Police ang posibilidad na terorismo ang nasa likod ng pananagasan ng suspect sa isang pagdiriwang na Filipino community sa Vancouver, Canada, Sabado ng gabi. Nasa kustudiya na rin ng mga otoridad ang suspect at nasampahan na ng kasong murder. Samantala, nakikiramay ang ilang Canadian leaders matapos ang malagim na insidente. Sinabi ni Prime Minister at Liberal leader Mark Carney na kinausap nito ang mayor ng Vancouver na si Ken Sim at tiniyak ang federal government support para